Everyone thinks the best-selling ceiling fan with lights is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Amico Flush Mount Fan. The Amico ceiling fan with lights caught my attention right away with its sleek black design and impressive price tag of $53.99. This fan is a bestseller for a reason. If you want a stylish addition to your home that keeps you cool and adds light, this is worth a serious look. This fan has an airflow capacity of 3326 cubic meters per minute, which means it's powerful enough to keep your space comfortable without breaking a sweat. You get 6 speed settings through a remote control, so you can customize your comfort effortlessly. Plus, the light is dimmable and has 3 color temperature options, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, allowing you to create just the right ambience for any occasion. The low-profile design makes it perfect for smaller rooms or spaces with low ceilings, and its quiet operation at just 35 dB means you won't be disturbed by noisy blades when you're trying to relax or sleep. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the detailed instructions and watch the installation video provided, it's manageable. But if you're not handy with tools, this might be a bit of a hassle for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional fan that's also budget-friendly. Skip this one if you need something super easy to install without any guidance. For under $54, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Amico's installation process concerns you, the next one I have might actually make your life easier. Product number 2, ZMIS HIBO Fandelier. The ZMIS HIBO ceiling fan with lights is a compact option that stands out with its modern flush mount design, priced at $51.99. If you're looking for a small yet powerful fan, this one deserves your attention. First off, it has a bright LED light source with a 2200 lumen output, which means it's not just a fan, but a light source too. Plus, the light is dimmable from 10% 100%, and it even remembers your last settings, which is handy for those late-night gatherings. The remote and app control feature lets you customize fan speeds and light independently, a feature that makes it so user-friendly. It offers 6 wind speeds and operates quietly, making it ideal for bedrooms or home offices where you need concentration. However, I did find some users frustrated with the Bluetooth connectivity. Sometimes it can be a bit finicky, but honestly, once you set it up, you likely won't need to reconnect often. This is perfect for you if you want a smart fan that blends in with the decor of small rooms. Skip this if you're looking for something larger or if you're not tech-savvy. For under $52, it's an excellent choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, Amico White Fan. Here's another winner from Amico, this time in a sleek white finish, priced slightly higher at $59.98. If you want a versatile fan with lighting, this one should be on your radar. With the same impressive airflow capacity of 3326 cubic meters per minute, it doesn't skimp on performance. It also features a remote control for easy adjustments, including 6 speed settings and 3 light temperature options. What's really cool is that you can run the light and fan independently, which is a big plus if you just need some light while relaxing. The reversible motor provides comfort in both summer and winter, while its quiet operation at 35 dB ensures a peaceful environment. The installation is made easier thanks to the detailed instructions, and it works well in both indoor and outdoor settings. Just keep it sheltered from direct rain. However, it's worth noting that some buyers mentioned that the blades could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance, it's a trade-off most users seem willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable fan that works year-round. Skip this if you prefer something with a more robust blade design. For just under $60, it offers great value for a dual-purpose fan. Now, if you want something that feels a bit more upscale, the next fan might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Pasky Sleek Fan. Moving on to the Pasky ceiling fan with lights priced at $59.97, this one offers a sleek black design that would complement any modern home. If you want a stylish and functional addition to your space, keep listening. This 52-inch fan is perfect for larger areas, providing a powerful airflow and light with a brightness of 2500 lumens. Just like the previous fans, it offers adjustable speeds and dimming options, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere no matter the occasion. The remote control is easy to use, giving you access to all the functions you need, including a reverse mode for winter. It runs at a whisper quiet 35 dB, so it's perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. Plus, it comes with a memory function, meaning it remembers your light and fan settings even after it's been turned off. But I should mention that a few users found the installation a bit daunting. They felt the instructions could be clearer. However, once set up, it really performs well and looks great. This is perfect for you if you have larger spaces to cool down and want style without sacrificing functionality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY projects. For about $60, it combines style with powerful performance. Now, if you're looking for something a bit smaller but just as efficient, the last one on our list is a real gem. Product number 5, Adlon Compact Fan. Finally, we have the Adlon Ceiling Fan with lights, another low-profile option priced at $57.99. This compact fan is perfect for those who want efficiency in a smaller design. The Adlon fan features a unique double-sided blade design, giving you the option to switch between two colors to match your decor. It's energy efficient, just like the rest, avoiding 80% of electricity loss compared to traditional fans. You can control both the fan and light with the remote, and it also has a timer function for added convenience. The quiet operation at 35 dB ensures you won't even notice it's running, making it great for light sleepers. The fan is reversible, so you can enjoy cool breezes in summer and warm air circulation in winter. However, some users noted that the plastic material of the blades felt a bit cheap. But honestly, as long as it performs well and looks good, I think it's a reasonable compromise. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, compact fan for a smaller room. Skip this if you want a more traditional wood blade look. At just under $58, it's budget-friendly and functional. So to wrap it up, the Amico Flush Mount Fan is great for budget-conscious buyers. ZMISHIBO offers smart features, the white Amico is versatile, the Pasky is perfect for larger spaces, and the Adlon is compact yet stylish. Each has its unique strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs.